So I'm going to go ahead and add these. All right, so I'm working on this section right here. This is the delivery section. And so I'm gonna add this text, quicker to order and quicker to fix, to my HTML and CSS. Okay, boom. All right, so I'm just gonna add two H2 tags right here. Okay, quick. Another H2 tag. And we're gonna go quicker fix. Boom. All right, so let's say that. Let's check it out. Boom. There you go, right there. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is adjust the font. The font is Fascinate Inline, and so I'm gonna take myself to Google. I already researched it, so I'm gonna link this in my HTML. Scroll up. Link this, link that, and then we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to add the font family to our CSS. All right, let's save it and see if it worked. And nope, it didn't. So let's see what's going on here. Oh, you know what's wrong? This is supposed to be a comment, not text. It was supposed to be inside. Comment. Code. Okay. There we go. And I should fix it. Boom. All right, let's make this a little bigger. We're gonna check this out. All right, the size is 88. So let's adjust the size then. Font size. Save. Check it out. Boom. All right, now for the hard part. Actually, we're gonna make this black. Actually, we're gonna keep it orange. Let's keep it and let's see, text outline. Oh. Yeah, let's go with text decoration. Let's see how do you stroke and see this. Okay. Stroke. Text stroke. Text stroke. Okay. Let's check it out. Text stroke. Let's see that work. This It's wrong. Oh, it's not reading it. Yeah, it's not reading that text stroke pattern. All right, let's see. So let's see if it works. I think it has to be old. Save. Boom. We're in the game. We are in the game, yo. Actually, we need to separate these two. These are two totally different H2s. It's gonna deal with the ID of H2. Call it H2. Down here. All right, another div. We have an idea. H2. H2. Okay, and then close the div below the H2. Beyond. All right, now we want H21. Okay. We're gonna go ID H21. We're gonna go float. Right, see if that works. And we're gonna go H2, 2. Boom, we're gonna go float left. See what that do. Oh, wrong ways. This need to go right, left. And this need to go right. So let's add some spacing. Quicker to order. Break right there. Then quicker to fix, let's do a break right there. Save it. See how that looks. Boom. Okay. Okay. Now let's do padding. Padding to margin to the top. To the top. Let's go 50. Let's go 150. Yeah. Oh, it's coming through. Okay, we're gonna go 500, 550, then 550. Boom. We in the gizem. And we are in the gizem. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Bam. Oh, this one's green. We gotta change it to green. Hex code. Boom, boom. Just change the color. See if they override that. Overrode it. Nah. Ooh, damn. Open the browser. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. So let's just go. Mhm. Hmm. How about we do this? We do the individual colors. Each H2. And that worked. And that worked, honey. Alrighty. We're coming together here. Look at that. This is the design. Oh yeah, I gotta do the backgrounds. This is design right now. We just worked on that, so we got some work to do still, but we get in there. We're getting there. We're getting there, folks. All right. That's it now. Peace.